Notice a taxonomy filter on this Elementor loop grid page with some example posts. We've got all parent A, child A1. So this is a child of parent A. Then I got parent B and then child B1 and child B2. This is using the traditional or the standard taxonomy filter that you will find inside of Elementor. And it's applying to this particular loop grid. So then we got parent C and then we got parent D. There's no child or children filters or taxonomies for that because of what I built. Now, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange this to be exactly how you want. Watch what happens when I go over to my advanced tab for the taxonomy filter. I go to custom CSS and I drop this bit of code in. Watch the parent A and parent B, okay? They've literally swapped over. Well, not just that. Parent A, B, C, and D are now at the front and the children now follow on. And if you look at the code, and by the way, I got this from Brent Eads, I think I pronounced his surname correct. Brent, please do clarify in the comments. He left this in the global community for Elementor on Facebook, and I found it. So shout out to him for this solution. What this does is allow you to reorder. So by default, the taxonomy filter is going to give you the parent and then the child of the parent. So parent, child, parent, child, parent, child. Now, if you don't have any children, you'll just get the parents in the right order. But maybe you want to have the parents right at the front. And if you go and see the video I released about a week ago that shows you how to stylize the parents and the children, so you can have totally unique styling to make it clear what is a parent and what is a child in a way. If you want to do that, I'll put a link to that in the video description. So focusing on this, you can see here that basically data filter parent A. Make sure everything is in lowercase, even if it's not lowercase over here. Make sure you put in a hyphen if you've got a space. So parent A is now order number 1. Parent B is order number 2. And you can see what we've done here. And you could argue, but that's going to take quite a bit of work because I've got like 30, 40 different filters. Look, if you got to put in a little bit of extra work to make this work, you got to go for it. By the way, I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. And stay tuned because we still got a bit more to say about this. So if I now want parent B to be the first one, in fact, no, let's put parent D as the first one. We're going to go to it and I'm going to change the order of this to be number 1. And then I'm going to reorder the other ones. Now, again, you could argue this is a little bit fiddly. And if anyone has got a more automated way of doing this, please be my guest and leave it in the comments. The parent D, parent A, B, C, and then we go on to the children. So by using something like this, and yes, I'm not going to lie, there's a lot of lines over there, but it's not that tricky to do. I mean, no, that probably looks a little bit easier on the eye. And you just shift it around, copy, paste, but you can now order the items of your taxonomy filter to make it fit exactly what you want. Because the order we got, sometimes I don't think it looked great. Parent, child, parent, child, parent, child. I would prefer to have the parents all at the front. Or maybe, I don't know, look, I'll leave it up to you, okay? You decide how you want to show it. But I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Many thanks to Brent because I pinched this code from a comment he left on a post or a question someone had in the Elementor global community Elementor group in Facebook. Hey, I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Go and check out our $1 business packs, and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings.